Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? Good? Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. So, last week we were studying about present continuous tense, and now we are going to the next levels. We are going to the next material, that is past continuous tense. Okay, students, what is past continuous tense? Ya, past continuous tense adalah kegiatan atau aktivitas yang sedang berlangsung di masa lampau. Time signalnya, atau kalian bisa menggunakan at this time yesterday, at 7 o'clock yesterday, and the same time yesterday, all day yesterday, and etc. Okay? So the formulas of past continuous tense is subject plus to be. Di sini kita menggunakan to be-nya was atau were plus verb ing. Ini adalah formula inti. Kemudian apabila subjeknya you, they, we, maka to be-nya were plus verb ing. Contohnya, they were playing football, we were reading a book. Jadi kemarin dia telah bermain sepak bola. Kemudian apabila subjeknya I, he, she, it atau objek tunggal, kita menggunakan to be berupa was plus verb ing. My mother was cooking in the kitchen. My mother adalah merupakan she, maka to be-nya menggunakan was. Present continuous tense yang negative sentence tinggal menambahkan not setelah to be. Rumusnya subject plus was atau were plus not plus verb ing. Contohnya, saya tidak sedang membaca buku. I was not reading a book. Sedangkan jika interrogative sentence, maka to be-nya biasa diletakkan di depan, kemudian subject baru verb ing. Contohnya, apakah mereka sedang bermain bola? Were they playing football? Were di sini sudah pasti dia menanyakan sesuatu yang telah terjadi di masa lampau. Apakah mereka sedang bermain bola? Gitu. Oke. Kemudian kapan saja kita menggunakan past continuous tense? Oke, yang pertama, ketika menyatakan suatu tindakan yang sedang berlangsung di masa lalu yang diinterupsi oleh tindakan singkat. Seperti contoh, I was reading a book when my mother called me. Aku sedang membaca buku ketika ibuku memanggilku. I was reading a book merupakan tindakan yang sedang berlangsung. When merupakan kata hubung, sedangkan my mother called me adalah suatu tindakan yang menginterupsi kejadian tersebut. Begitu. Yang kedua adalah ketika menyatakan apa yang sedang terjadi pada waktu tertentu di masa lalu. Seperti contoh, at 7 o'clock I was studying at school. At 4 o'clock they were playing football. Yang ketiga, untuk menggambarkan latar atau kondisi dari sebuah cerita. Contohnya, people were laughing, the children were singing, suddenly an accident happened. Orang-orang tertawa, anak-anak bernyanyi, tiba-tiba kecelakaan itu terjadi.
Hey, look who's here! Sis, what a surprise!
Hey, I didn't expect to see you here. Please join me.
How was your day, Julia?
Oh, I had an awful day. It seemed to be such a lovely day at the beginning. I was sitting on the balcony, drinking a cup of coffee. The sun was shining, someone was playing a violin in the street, and I was enjoying a beautiful afternoon. I was feeling hungry, so I decided to make spaghetti. But I realized that I didn't have any tomato sauce. So I went to the grocery store to buy some. After buying a few items, I finally found the tomato sauce. I was reading the label when the jar just slipped out of my hands and fell down. There was glass and red sauce all over the floor and splattered all over my shoes. I looked around and noticed that everyone was staring at me. People were smiling and whispering to each other. Soon I noticed that I was leaving a trail of red footprints through the store. I found a grocery store worker and let him know what I had just done. I offered to help clean it up, but he declined. I was so embarrassed that I wasn't even looking where I was going. And I knocked over a display of chips. I was just standing there in shock. A manager was walking by me that very moment and noticed the mess I had made. I was expecting her to be angry, but she wasn't. She said they would take care of everything. She was smiling. Maybe she was thinking about how clumsy I was.
Oh, poor you, sis. I'm sorry you had to go through this. It was just a bad day.
And there's more. While I was waiting to pay the checkout, I realized I forgot my wallet home. I was mortified.
Oh no. So what did you do?
I apologized and left all my shopping there.
Thank you for your nice attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.